I don't mind the noise, y'all, but guess what? I finally got the machine. So we're gonna open it. I got the Meridian machine. Okay, so let's look inside the box. Alright. I was gonna take it out earlier, but I was like, let me wait. Okay, it came with this nice bag that you can put your machine in. Okay. Oh, I wonder what's in here. Okay. We got parts for the machine. Y'all can see that? Those are the parts. Okay. Oh yeah, I didn't even see this. The spoons that came with the machine. Bobbins. This machine is huge. Okay, it's pretty heavy, so I will be back. Okay, y'all, I just took this phone out from this box. So this is where the hoop is. It's 9 by 14. See the hoop? I need a smaller one, a smaller size, probably 4 by 4. Probably I need like 2 more hoops, 4 by 4 and 9 by 9. This is the hoop size. Okay, let's see what happens when you open it. Okay, this is the bottom part of the machine. So I guess that's it. What's this? It looks like a interface. It's in another language. Trying to see if I can find English. Don't see anything in English. Backing material for embroidery. So this is the material for the embroidery when you're doing your stitches. Oh! Yes, it has a thread. Came with a thread. Okay, so I'm gonna set up the machine and then I'll let y'all know later on, okay? Bye. Okay, so what I'm gonna do to make it look a little nice, here's my hoop side. I'm gonna put like an embroidery design in the front. So I'm using the largest hoop to put a big old design in the front. I didn't use no stabilizer because this is something I'm gonna wear in the house, or you know, nothing really special, or maybe I'm going to the supermarket or something. Nothing really special to just use clothes. You know, it's just fun to create something and make something old and then make it new again. So I'm just making sure that it is tight. I'm not using no stabilizer because This is just house clothes to me. Make sure it's inside. Okay. Make sure it's tight before I screwed it in. Just stretching it. Okay. I'm gonna. Okay. You see how it did that? It just threaded by itself. That's like the best thing I ever saw with this machine. I don't even have to thread it. Okay, so the embroidery design is finished. So I'm gonna take it off the hoop